All right, so we have a burping contest between the brothers, drinking beer. Very cute. Bob, your turn. And Steven, your comeback. Bob, do you have one? Take another. Steve? You sound like you're about to. Wait, let's hear one from you, Mom.
That was weak. I can't do it on demand.
T, let's hear from one from you.
Yeah, where's the Neosporin?
That was good. Lauren, can I hear one from you? Wait, what was that, Steve? I didn't quite hear it. Alrighty. Ooh, that was a good one. Steve? Okay, Chewbacca.
Classy with the K, boys. Classy with the K.
Wow, beer bottle Nate. All right, Swellen, who's the winner? She's not paying attention. Trisha, who's the winner?
Hand me a beer and I'll do both of them.
Ah!
Good answer.
Lauren, who's the winner?
I'm gonna need to hear one more burp.
Okay, yeah, one more time. Steve, one more burp.
I not want that in my
Ooh, that was chunky.
All right, I don't know. I think we're gonna have to do. You know what? I think. I actually think it's tied, so we're gonna have another one of these tomorrow night. Thank you. Thank you. Say goodbye to the camera, Steve.